Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. We have a 2011 Audi A8 L, 4.2 V8 engine in it, all-wheel drive Quattro, brand new tires, just serviced, 20-inch rims on it. Thing drives great. Exterior is in excellent condition, especially for a 2011. This one is pretty loaded up, massaging seats, leather, nav, backup camera, Bluetooth. Really comfortable car, great road trip car. Hard to find a V8 nowadays. A lot of these A8s have switched engines. This 4.2 is definitely, look at that grille. Beautiful front grille. Audi definitely hit it out the ballpark on this one. This was the first year they redesigned this A8. As you can see, the interior is in good shape. Rear climate control modules for the backseat passengers. You could fold this right up. Very roomy, very comfortable. Has this one here particularly has air conditioned seats, heated seats. Like I said, navigation. Go ahead and start her up. Drives excellent. If this is something you might be interested in, give us a call at 228-438-2056. Or you could text us as well there. Or you can email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe if this is something you might be interested in. Definitely give us a holler. And for all your Audi, Volkswagen, and Porsche repair needs, give us a holler. We have a full service shop as well. Thank you for checking out our video.